which contacts are your favorite? You all know the drill. Let me know in the comment section down below. My phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For those of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette, and here on our channel we talk about makeup, fashion, hair. I do product reviews for you guys and let you know what I would recommend. So if you are interested in this channel, and I'm sure you are, then make sure you hit the bell notification as well as click the red subscribe button and become part of our YouTube family. For those of you who've been watching me for a while, I always say this, but I really am very grateful and very appreciative. And I love when you guys comment and give me engagement and let me know what you guys think I should do a video on next, which leads me to this video. So a subscriber who me and her always talk about contact lenses, different kinds of contact lens brands, she asked if I would do a top 10 colored contact lens video of all the lenses that I would recommend. So I thought, top 10, that's a great idea. So thank you so much, Ashley, for recommending that I do this kind of video. So I'm gonna start off with my top 3 picks. So these are gonna be my top 3 picks for colored contacts in 2018. And if you guys know of any good contact lens brands that are inexpensive and that you think I should try, let me know down below as well. I always love trying new contact lens brands, and of course, you know how much I love colored contacts. So let me know in the comment section down below. And these picks are perfect for beginners or those who are just starting to wear colored contact lenses and maybe are unsure of which brands to try and which lenses to get. So I'm pretty sure this video will help you out, so make sure you share this video with anyone that you know that is interested in getting colored contacts and maybe don't know which brands to try and which colored contacts to wear. So the first pick, it comes as no surprise to you all, I'm sure. It is the Siesta Black Edition Creamy Brown Contact Lenses. Those are the ones that I'm wearing right now. You guys know I made a whole video about them. I'm gonna link it in the cards right here. Make sure you go check it out for a more in-depth review. But you guys know how much I love these contact lenses. These have become pretty much my everyday contact lenses. I love them. What I love the most about them is not just how they look in natural lighting. They look super natural. I love how they look in sunlight. In sunlight, as you can see from the sunlight pictures and videos, I'll put videos and clips, as you all know, with all of the contact lenses that I do have and the ones that I'm talking about right now. And oh my goodness, I love the way these look. The blends that you see in the sunlight, as you can see with these contacts, are amazing. You can see like the hazelnut, you can see like the light brownish hazel color. I love these contacts. They are so beautiful, they are so natural. Everyone will think that they are your real eyes unless they get like super up close to you. But why is anybody getting that up close to you anyway? But everyone will think these are your natural eyes. They look beautiful with minimal makeup. They look absolutely stunning with full glam makeup. I just absolutely love these lenses. I suggest these lenses, or I recommend these lenses to anyone who is beginning to wear colored contact lenses. Try these lenses out. Try the whole brand Color CL out. I'll put their website right here as well as a link in the description box down below. Try them out. I'm sure you will not be disappointed. They have so many different collections. They have so many different contacts. I'm sure you will find a pair that works for you. It might be a little trial and error, but the contacts are like $15, so I mean you can't go wrong. But oh, I love these contacts. These are absolutely my favorite. And like I said, for 15 bucks, they're 6-month wear contact lenses. All of the important information such as diameter and base curve is listed on their website, so make sure you check out their website if you want more information about that, and you will not be disappointed. I love these lenses. Now let's get into my second pick. My second pick is the Solotica Natural Colors Ocre. Now I know these were my first pair of colored contact lenses. Yes, you guys, these are the first pair of colored contact lenses that I got. I remember that I saw a picture of Kylie Jenner. If I find a picture, I'll put it up here. She had these lenses on in one of the blue shades that they had. And she looked so pretty with them on. So I said, oh, I never heard of that brand Solotica before. So of course I researched them, I purchased these lenses, and as you can see from the pictures, I don't have a video clip because these are only good for a year. So of course the year has passed, so I tossed them away. I ordered a new pair, so I'm waiting for the new pair to come in. But in the meantime, I do have plenty of makeup pictures, so I'll put them here. And oh my goodness, these were my first pair of contact lenses, colored contact lenses, you guys. These contact lenses make your eyes look so bright and so big because the limbal ring on them is so thin and so natural looking. Once again, people will think that these are your natural eyes too. Like, they look so beautiful. But a viewer of mine actually sent me an email, and she actually sent me pictures as proof. And she let me know that if you have dark eyes, I'm talking about like your eyes are almost like black, then maybe these contact lenses, they're not going to look the hazelish color that they look, or the light brown hazelish, you know, hazelnut type of color that these contacts are supposed to look on. People with really dark eyes, they may come off as looking a little bit grayish, a gray tone color, and that's because even though these contacts are specifically made for people with dark eyes, of course, you know, your hair color, your skin tone, the different lighting, like right now I'm in front of a ring light, but then when you step outside, you know, it changes. The color of the contacts will change depending on the lighting. So she let me know that it didn't look like the way it's supposed to look, like the way it looked on me when she purchased these lenses. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up in case you have really dark eyes and you are interested in this pair in particular. Just know that it may not look like this color as you see here. It may look a little bit, it may look different. So just keep that in mind. And of course, I will put their website right here. And I also have a discount code with them. It's 10% off your order. It's Solotica. I will put my discount code right here. So if you guys are interested in purchasing any contacts from them, use my discount code if you want. It helps me out a lot. It helps support our channel, and I really do appreciate it, and thank you so much. Now let's get into the last pick. So for the last pair of lenses that I am absolutely in love with is this Siesta Romance Green contact lenses. Those contact lenses are so beautiful. When I collaborated with Color CL and they sent me 3 pairs of contact lenses, these were one of the ones that I requested, and I think they just look absolutely gorgeous. Once again, in room light, you can kind of see that they look, if you get really up close, you can kind of see that they look like you have contacts on or whatever, but in natural sunlight, as you can see from the pictures in the video clip, oh my god, they look so gorgeous with any kind of eye makeup. Even if you don't wear any kind of eye makeup and you just like put on mascara or whatever, they just look so beautiful, so natural. I love that the blend, if you look at the contacts when you get them, the blend is like a lime green in the middle, and then towards the outer it's a darker green. And if you look at natural green eyes, or anyone that has colored eyes, it's like different blends and tones of the eye. That's what makes it look more natural. And these lenses make my eyes look brighter and bigger as well. Like, as you can see in the pictures, like they look like almost like doll-like. They just make your eyes look so much bigger. They are so beautiful, so gorgeous. I love these green lenses. These are my favorite out of the Romance collection. I think the Siesta Black Edition Romance Green is just a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful color lens, and I would recommend anyone that wants green contact lenses to get these contact lenses. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, of course, and hit the bell notification next to it so I can keep on, you know, uploading these contact lens videos, since I know that you guys love these videos. Don't forget to comment down below, and of course follow me on social media, and come say hi in the comment section down below. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.